Yes, please. You guys, these are so cute for $1. Oh, I'm definitely gonna take this one. Look at the skull on that. Oh, you guys. They have it in the black. Look at the skull. Definitely cute. Those are cute. Oh, that's new. Look at that one, the Day of the Dead. What are these? Oh, these are the little light. That's cute. Projectors. Oh, how cute is that? They have the skull there. I'm gonna go get a cart because I am getting first dibs on everything. Oh, they have the little lights as well. So now let me see if it works. Oh, how cute is this for your kids' rooms? And they have them in the little spider. That's cute. The purple bats. The white ghost, which you're gonna love. And you guys, this is so adorable. Look at the pumpkins. Let me go get a cart and then we'll come back and I'll shop. So let me pop it. Okay guys, so I have to come back to show you the ribbon. I didn't want to go too fast, but look at all the ribbon they have. And the trees are so cute. I think I'm gonna take the purple one. If they had it, I like the orange one. I think I'll take the orange one. And then I have to show you the ribbon again. I'm sorry, I went too fast on the ribbon. Look how adorable that is. And they have the bats, which is nice. And look at this, is new. Look at the cotton candy one. And you know what, guys? The ribbon matches the little trees. Look at how cute is that. So I'm definitely taking the orange one, and maybe the orange ribbon. They also have the ornaments. I just had to show you. And then look at the ribbon. Oh, how cool is that? And there's one more. So if you guys are doing the witches, that's perfect. Oh my god, they have so many cute goodies here. But look at this, the trees. I did take an orange one. I'm not doing the purple one. But yeah. And then the whole little bats are cute as well. I'm gonna check if they have anything fall. But I just have to give you a little sneak peek of the stuff that is out already. And if you're gonna go ahead and do the, I love these. I love giving these out. Look at how cool this is. If you're gonna do an ornament, grab your stuff now. But yeah, do some Halloween stuff. And then do have candy. So, I hope you guys buy something. Let me know if you get something. Okay. That is cute.
Alex, to the office.
Okay, so I missed this one. You guys, these are the witches' brooms. How cool are those? And they have them in the black as well. The little, they know, have the mesh. I want actually spider web, so I'm gonna do something cool. What else do they have? They have the books. I don't know if you guys like the books. I kind of, they're cute, but what do you do with them? Like just put them on your 2-tier tray. They have them in the spider. I mean, they are cute. But yeah, go ahead and grab your stuff now before it's all gone. I'm gonna check if I could find some fall items to show you guys for another little display. But yeah, they have all the stuff now. If you're making a wreath, they even have the piping, the pipes, which I call Chanel stems, in the purple. And they also have them in the black, right there. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff. They brought back the pumpkins. I did a wreath with this, but I deleted it, unfortunately. And I use these as well, which are adorable. But yeah, and they also have your stuff if you're doing a party. That's cute. And that's cuter. And they have the plates as well. Those are cute. But yeah, go ahead and grab some stuff. I kind of think I want one of these, just because I want the skull. I don't know, like that. I don't care for the red and rose, but like that, I think that's cute. So you get 2 roses and a skull, and then you also get it in the pink. Oh, look at this one. I didn't see this one. Oh, that pumpkin is so pretty. And then they have it in the pink. Like, you can tell people have been buying already. So yeah, image. So yeah, hope you guys like to see the little bit of the Halloween decor I have. And bye, you guys.